Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A04e. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to plug it in. And now you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And now you are in recovery mode, and from this menu you have to use volume buttons to select wipe data factory reset and then press power button. And now move to the second option and then press power button again. And now you can select reboot system now to go back to your Android system. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform a phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.